There are several ways to make money using a language model like ChatGPT. Here are some ideas to get you started. Freelance writing. Offer content creation services such as writing articles, blog posts, social media updates, or ad copy for clients. Use ChatGPT to draft and edit your work more efficiently. Virtual assistant. Offer your services as a virtual assistant, using ChatGPT to help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and research. Tutoring and language learning. Use ChatGPT to assist in teaching and tutoring services, especially for language learning or essay writing. Chatbot development. Create and sell custom chatbots for businesses, using ChatGPT as the underlying technology. These chatbots can be used for customer support, sales, or marketing purposes. Application development. Develop applications that incorporate ChatGPT, such as AI-powered writing assistants, content generation tools, or social media management platforms. Subscription service. Create a platform or tool that integrates ChatGPT and charge users a subscription fee for access. Training and consulting. Offer consulting services on how to effectively use and implement ChatGPT for various business applications. Affiliate marketing. Write reviews or create content about ChatGPT and related services, then include affiliate links to earn a commission on sales generated through your content. Remember that, while you can leverage ChatGPT to help you make money, you should always respect the terms and conditions of the platform and comply with applicable laws and regulations. Additionally, ensure that you have the necessary permissions or licenses from OpenAI or other relevant parties before using ChatGPT for commercial purposes.